मैम,
हेलो मैम।
कैसे आप?
वेरी नाइस। आप कैसे हैं?
बहुत बढ़िया जी।
यस मैम।
तो एनर्जी क्लास में हम पीछे वाले में से क्या क्या मैम अच्छी तरह से हो गया?
ऑरा ऑफ ट्रीज,
हम्म।
एनिमल्स।
हम्म।
बच्चे का मैं थोड़ा सा देख उसके बताए बिना वो बैठा था, तो कॉन्शियस बनाए बिना आई वाज जस्ट सीइंग। थोड़ा हिल रहा था बट आई कुड सी द ऑरा, मतलब अपर बॉडी,
हम्म।
क्योंकि वो साइड प्रोफाइल में था।
हम्म।
एंड ऑरा ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स। फिर सर ने अ, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, स्कैनिंग ऑफ अदर पर्सन्स या हाउस का या कंट्री का, किसी भी चीज़ का स्कैन करके फिर उसमें श्रीम की एनर्जी ये करके फिर ऑरा चेंज क्या होता है
हम्म।
वो चीज़।
हम्म।
वन थिंग विच आई एम ट्राइंग एवरी डे, बट उसके आगे चीज़ मतलब इतना ही हो रहा है जो स्काई गेजिंग है, दैट पार्ट। पार्टिकल्स दिखते हैं बट दैट्स अबाउट इट। आई मीन वहाँ पे
हाँ,
हम।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं।
हम्म।
जो दिखता है बस वही दिखना है। दैट्स इट।
या एंड नाइट में भी मैंने ट्री का ऑरा देखा।
हम्म।
हाँ, दैट पार्ट।
कैसा था?
इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट इट इज इन द मॉर्निंग। इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट, बट आई
कलर्स
कुडंट
भी
फोकस।
डिफरेंट? कलर्स भी
कलर, कलर्स में ज्यादा फोकस नहीं कर पाया एक्चुअली। द प्लेस वेयर द ट्रीज आर, पीछे बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हेडलाइट्स हैं, स्ट्रीट
डिफरेंट।
लाइट्स हैं। बट आई विल कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग इट एंड नाउ आई डोंट नो, सडनली एवरी नाइट देयर इज थंडरस्टॉर्म, सो मॉर्निंग्स एंड नाइट्स आर फिल्ड विथ रेन। तो बट आई एम स्टिल ट्राइंग कि मैं रेन से। और मैंने ये चीज भी देखी कि अगर हम विंडो के थ्रू भी देखते हैं, मतलब इवन इफ देयर इज अ ग्लास इन द मिडल, यू कैन स्टिल सी द ऑरा। मतलब दैट इज नॉट हिंडरिंग एक्चुअली। पहले मुझे लगा कि डायरेक्ट देखना है, बट इवन इफ देयर इज अ विंडो इन द मिडल, यू कैन स्टिल सी द ऑरा। एंड द फ्रीक्वेंसी इज अ रॉन्ग वर्ड, ड्यूरेशन जितना जल्दी दिख रहा है, दैट
हाँ।
इज इम्प्रूविंग। पहले बहुत फोकस करना, अब मुड़ते हैं तभी दिखने लगता है, इवन इफ लाइक जस्ट पॉइंटेड। सो दीज आर थिंग्स। और सर ने कल मर्म पॉइंट्स के बारे में पीपीटी भेजा था और खुद के बॉडी के ऊपर वो प्रैक्टिस करने को बोला था।
हम्म।
तो वो चीज मैं पढ़ के थोड़ा फार कर पाई हूँ मैं।
क्या किया?
वही कि स्कैन करके देन यू एनहांस इट विथ श्रीम की एनर्जी एंड देन सी। सो कल जो सर ने क्लास में ही करवाया था, हेड से शुरू किया था हमने, तो बिफोर द श्रीम एनर्जी, दोस पॉइंट्स, इवन इफ इट्स अ गोल्डन ऑरा, इट इज हॉलो, मतलब बीच में नहीं, इट्स लाइक अ रिंग। बट द मोमेंट यू एनर्जी शो ग्रेटिट्यूड एंड fill it with श्रीम की एनर्जी, it gets filled and then starts radiating in the outside. So that is the observation that I have had.
Today we'll be just scanning the chakras.
Okay, ma'am.
To start with, you just have to invoke yourself only in front of you in a
Mm-hmm.
miniature of
Mm-hmm.
yourself, just 1.5 feet,
Mm.
right? And you know the location of the chakras now.
Hmm. मैंने एक डायग्राम भी पीपीटी से लेके रखा है जस्ट टू क्रॉस
You
वेरीफाई मैम।
just have to scan your chakras individually, whatever chakra. The beauty of this practices, whatever chakra you are going to wish to scan, that only chakra will reveal you.
ओह, ओके।
Suppose, but you have to practice it also.
Hmm.
The whole class would be about this only. I'll be giving you time. We'll be just scanning the chakras while connecting your tongue to your palate. That's it. Today we are going to do only this thing, nothing else.
Okay.
I'll be
All
giving
right.
you time. Suppose say 15 minutes, 15 minutes करके ऐसे. And आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने आप को इन्वोक करना है सबसे पहले.
Hmm.
Just drawing a line in front of you
Hmm.
of say 1 feet or 1.5 feet, and assuming that you are in front of you, and actually you are in front of you,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
right?
Hmm.
You have to imagine, you have to admit also, yes, it is there.
Okay.
The moment you are going to invoke, this time you are invoking yourself, but in the coming times, you might be invoking somebody else also.
Oh,
But the moment
okay.
you are going to invoke somebody, that person is in front of you in energy field.
Mm-hmm.
And the moment you are going to invoke somebody, the cord between you and that person gets connected through your navel chakra.
Acha. Okay.
After the whole process is over, if you want to scan him only, then if you want to heal him only, then whatever you want to do, after once the whole process is over, you just have to disconnect that cord
Okay.
by just assuming that these are your hands, basically
Mm-hmm.
assuming these your hands as swords or maybe knife, big knives,
Mm-hmm.
and just cutting that cord while staying just 0.25 centimeters
Mm-hmm.
away from your this navel.
Hmm. Okay. Okay.
And just cut that.
ठीक है.
When cutting, you just have to cut it in the set of
Mm-hmm.
three. You can repeat the unit. I mean, three is one unit. You can repeat the units of cutting
Mm.
if there are different energies, or looking at the energies, the span of your interaction with energy. It all
Mm.
depends upon that. The severity of the energy, the disease of the
Uh-huh.
energy, right?
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
And till the time you get a permission to heal somebody, you are not supposed to heal anybody.
Hmm. This
The
was my
reason,
question. Yeah.
till the time you master this process, you're not supposed to heal anybody.
Hmm.
Clear?
Yes.
Now, okay. And this is the whole process I've told you about how it works. Number two, I have to tell you the whole process in one go only, so that there shouldn't be any discrepancy,
Mm-hmm.
right? To avoid any confusion. First of all, you are going to invoke somebody, you are going to scan that person. Yeah, for that matter, abhi to you are starting with yourself. You
Hmm.
are going to invoke, you are going to scan, and keep a note of it.
Mm-hmm.
Starting your 9 chakras, just write your 9 chakras, then
Hmm.
the reading, pre-healing and post-healing, right? अभी
Okay.
आप pre-healing का लेंगे, but till the time your measurements are complete, okay, you just have to uh, practice.
Hmm.
Okay? I'm not expecting any accuracy, but
Hmm.
it's just an attempt to make you aware of the chakras, their size, and their impact on our body organs and body.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So, starting with your first chakra, you just have to scan your chakra,
Hmm.
you just have to write it. Suppose I tell you to just randomly, I'll just give you a wait, thoda sa confusion. You invoke somebody, you
Hmm.
clean that person, or maybe this time you are cleaning yourself.
Hmm.
Invoke somebody, you scan,
Hmm.
clean the chakras, depending upon how much is the discrepancy, to bring them back to the normal levels.
Hmm.
Then again you scan the chakras, how much is the difference. Then
Hmm.
again you clean whatsoever is the discrepancy left there. And
Ah,
then
okay.
you energize it. If there is discrepancy, then again you are going to clean that chakra and then you are going to heal that. The whole process takes time, but it depends upon you how much time you are going to take, depending upon the dexterity you are going to develop over the period of time. Right? Starting with, it might take some few minutes, then it takes might be few seconds. It all depends upon the healer, how much dexterity he or she has attained. Right? Now you just this is okay. This is one part we have completed. Now, after the whole process is over, you have cleaned that, scanned, cleaned, then rescanned, cleaned, and then energized. Okay. After that, you just have to, after energizing, you just have to disconnect the cord. Right. Now, the process is like this only. There is one sub-process also. Sub-process, when while cleaning, you might need some bowl filled with the water, not filled up till brim, just half bowl of water with salt added to it. Initially, you might require that. Not might, you require that. After maybe once you get dexterity, you might be using or not, that's up to you. So whatever chakras we clean, we just throw the clutter which we gathered from our with the help of our fingers in that bowl. Right? And after, once the process is over, we disconnected the cord. We just lift that bowl and throw the water in commode.
Okay.
And rinse the bowl also, then wash our hands properly, and then the whole process is complete. Clear? What we did, we scanned the post, we invoke, we scan, we then clean. While cleaning, we just throw the clutter in a bowl. After, then we rescanned, re-cleaned if needed. Then we energized it with Bij mantras. Then we disconnected the cord, lift the ball, and throw the water in commode. Clear? Whole process is clear? Right? This is one process, one unit, whole unit of healing. Clear? Now, we don't require anything else. This is the only thing which we require during the healing. Right? Now, this is a broader picture. Now, coming back to the original from where we started, we are just going to attempt to scan the chakras. Right? For that, you have to invoke yourself. The moment you're going to get invoked, in front of you, there would be a cord between you and your energy field. You in energy field, right? If you are going to scan your Sahasrara, you'll be able to scan that. You have to give command to yourself. Then maybe if you randomly bolungi on this Manipur chakra, navel chakra, then your maybe your root chakra, right? So this way you have to scan every chakra with full concentration. How much time should I give you?
I think a max of 15 minutes.
Okay, 15 minutes.
But if uske pehle ho gaya, to I will, of course, unmute until.
Okay, no worries about it. You just scan it. I think 1 minute per chakra, 10 minutes dete hain. If it exceeded, then also, if not, even then also, I'll let you know. You will let me know, right?
Sure. Yep.
My screen is going to my audio, video, everything is going to get, you know.
Ma'am, I have a question. How do you मतलब measurement कैसे करते हैं? Assume मतलब कि how much I feel this is in centimeters or
It is all. That's it.
okay.
I invoked my heart chakra. I invoked, I got the measurement, the difference between my two hands. You can initially, you might use this scale, helping your hands to understand, like to helping yourself to understand how much is the difference between your hands. By just putting the hands on the scale, then you become habitual of understanding that how much is the difference,
Okay.
right?
Right now, approximately, I will just 15 centimeter का जो scale होता है वो पता है कितना होता है. ठीक है.
सेंटीमीटर्स या आप इंचेस में लो ना.
अच्छा, inches. Okay.
Inches is always better.
All right.
Okay. Anything else
ठीक है.
you want to ask?
Not because in this process तो cleaning नहीं, लेकिन आपने बोला cleaning में you just whenever you feel the clutter you put it in that water. But right now we are not anyways going to do it. We are just going.
Not feeling the clutter. There is the clutter. Feeling क्या होता है? When there is, you haven't asked me how much should be the size of the chakra.
Then मेरे mind में एक number आ जाएगा ना मैम. फिर मैं वो logic
मैंने
assume करूँगी.
इसीलिए बोला नहीं. Initially, I want you to scan it properly. Then only I'll let you know. But this is very obvious question. Which should come to our mind, that what is the size of the chakra, actual size of the chakra. We just keep a note of every chakra, all 9 chakras, and then we can
Okay.
understand it in a more
All
deeper, right?
So right now I'll just scan. I'm not going to energize it. I'll scan, I'll cut the cord and I'll talk to you, right? I will scan my
You are going to
chakras.
scan and then, right.
Should I
First of all,
cut the
try
cord?
one chakra.
Okay.
Yes, you have to cut the cord, and then you have to we can talk.
Okay.
First of all, invoke just yourself and just try doing measuring only one chakra.
ठीक है.
Any chakra of your choice.
And then update you. Okay. ठीक है. And ma'am, do I have to energize my hands? मतलब before I do the
Sensitization is a process. Yes, you require it every time. Every
Okay.
time you require it. Because till the time you develop a dexterity of measuring your chakras without even sensitizing your hands, till that time you have to do this.
ठीक है.
Right?
Okay. All right, ma'am. Okay, we'll do it.
Without just no, I just want to know the process. That accuracy will come when you'll go through the process. That's a different thing. That might take multiple attempts also. But the only thing which I want from you is how you are going to scan it. I've told you the process. You just have to scan it. Just do it just 2-3 times, and the whole process you need not to do right now. But I just know what is the map, how you are going to attempt it. That's it. I know only that thing.
Okay.
One chakra you have to scan right now.
ठीक है.
बताइए.
Okay, invoking.
And one more thing, I should be able to see you till your navel.
Okay.
In the energy class, you have to sit like that, so that I can know how your hands are moving, how. Yes, now it's okay, better.
Better?
हाँ, थोड़ा और पीछे हो जाइए आप. हाँ, ठीक है. Now it's okay.
ठीक है.
हाँ, perfect.
Yeah. Okay. And ma'am, before I said, because process में ये नहीं करना, I'll just scan one chakra of mine. I'll cut the cord and then I'll give you the update, right?
Yes.
ठीक. Okay.
Keep your audio video on.
Audio also?
I'll keep my audio.
ठीक है. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So the
So,
chakra that I scanned was Anahata,
mhm.
and actually inches, मतलब मैं सेंटी अगर 8 to 10 के सेंटीमीटर्स के बीच में, मतलब इंचेस कितना डिवाइड बाय 2.5, ओके, मतलब अराउंड 4.5 इंचेस होगा, 4
ठीक है,
पॉइंट,
ठीक है,
हाँ.
ठीक है, ठीक है. I was just actually looking at whatever you were doing. It's okay. Your tongue
ओके.
should be connected with the palate, number one.
यस मैम.
Legs crossed नहीं होना चाहिए. That's it.
ओह, लेग्स क्रॉस थे. क्रॉस मतलब एक पैर फोल्डेड था मेरा.
कोई बात नहीं. Folded पद्मासन या जैसे भी बैठते हो, that's a different thing. But the thing
क्रॉस
is,
नहीं थे.
legs should crossed नहीं होना चाहिए.
हम्म.
Right. Okay, now your 15 minutes start now. Okay.
ओके, पूरा अभी स्कैन करना है. ओके.
पूरा all 9 chakras
ओके.
with all exercise and all. Right.
ठीक है
Okay.
मैम.
Thank you.
ओके. थैंक यू.
15 minutes. मैम अभी कितना हो गया? दिस इज विच नंबर? अभी कौन सा नंबर हो गया मैम? Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Are you there, ma'am? Are you there, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
I cannot see you yet.
oh, is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, okay. So, the topmost, which is just above the body, उसको क्या बोलते हैं मैम? यहाँ पे
हमारा
पिक्चर
आप ना ऐसा करो, आप अपना वो आप बार बार वो भूल जाते हैं। सर ने आपको अपने चक्रास के बारे में सब कुछ बताया होगा। टेक अ पिक्चर ऑफ दैट।
It's here, ma'am. It's in my phone. I've taken a picture. Yes, ma'am.
उसमें
लेकिन दोनों का नाम सहस्रारा करके ही लिखा हुआ है, तो
सहस्रार चक्र बंद, सहस्रार चक्र खुला,
खुला बंद खुला, अच्छा वैसे है वो।
तो वैसे है। और
हाँ,
आप
तो
जो है आप उसको सिक्वेंशली जो है आपने लिखा हुआ है उसको पेपर,
यस मैम।
आपने उसको स्कैन किया है, उसकी रीडिंग्स लिख ली, राइट?
यस मैम।
आपके पास में श्री मंत्रा लिखा हुआ है।
यस मैम।
अभी आपने क्या चक्रास का साइज किधर से किधर तक का है? आई मीन हाउ मच इज द साइज?
ओके, वन थिंग व्हिच आई नोटिस्ड इज स्वाधिष्ठान चक्र जो है, आई कुड नॉट फील इट। आई कुड नॉट फील इट। आई ट्राइड, आई सेड ओके फाइन, आई विल मूव ऑन। That I could not feel it at all. if you are ask me for a range कि smallest से लेके max तक 9 chakras में, it started with around 2 inches and max गया है 4.5 तक. But I can tell you every chakra if you want.
2 inches का कौन सा है? स्वादिष्टान?
Vishuddhi. The throat part of it. 2 to 2.5, मतलब मैं exact नहीं बोल पा रही हूँ, but that was the lowest in the range.
कोई बात नहीं, अभी कोई perfection नहीं है इसमें. Anyhow, you just have to, okay. You took approximately crisp 20 minutes last time. Now you rescan the chakras.
Again,
When
same
I'm
process.
saying rescanning, you will find a discrepancy in your chakras also.
Okay.
Okay, your Vishuddhi chakra. हार्ट चक्रा कितना है?
हार्ट बोले क्या मैम आप?
Yes.
अनाहत is 4 to 4.5. मतलब मैंने 4.5 लिखा है, but I don't know exact. Yeah.
हाँ, navel chakra.
Navel is 3 close to 3.5.
And Mooladhar.
Mooladhar is close to 3.5 to 3.75 ऐसे मैंने लिखा हुआ है यहाँ
नहीं,
पे.
अभी you need to check it also.
Okay.
First go में तो मतलब just take introduction to how to measure it. This time we are not expecting any perfect finding. You just have to rescan your chakras.
Okay.
Number one. After rescanning, it is just the exercise. The more you practice, the more you'll raise your platform of understanding also. So you just have to scan your all chakras, lift the energy of Shri mantras, just put it on your body.
Oh, it has to be on my body or the energy that I've invoked. Invoked पे, ठीक है.
Right. And then rescan. Scan. And just because it's the safest energy, okay, it has no side effects at all. When I'm saying scanning, and just then comes your cleaning, then comes again remeasuring or scanning, and then comes your if required, then you can clean it again. Then comes your energizing again after scanning them. So what you need to do is you just scan your chakras and cleaning. Let me introduce with the cleaning also. Cleaning, what you need to be with a ball of water, half filled, and put some salt in it, just 1 spoon of salt in it, common salt. And whatever chakra you are feeling, suppose this, just assume that this is a flat surface. Clean it, the chakra. It is like moving surface, and you just have to clean it. Clean it, throw it in water. Clean it, throw it in water. Depending upon the clutteredness, you can clean the chakra and throw it in water. There are some chakras who might need just few strokes of cleaning. But in some chakras, you require more strokes, right? So depending upon the clutter of the chakra, you need to clean it. After cleaning, just throw that everything in that bowl, rescan. If it is between 4 to 6, it is balanced. But there are certain chakras which might be balanced also. You observe that these chakras are balanced. Even then you have to clean it. Suppose there is a table, you're not using it, it's cleaned. There are hardly any dust particle, or maybe it's not used for the 3-4 days. That might have a little bit of dust particles. You just mop it once, it will be okay. But the other table which you are using, or maybe there are a lot of clutters, maybe some sticky water, juice is there, maybe oily food you have consumed on it, that might be there. So you will clean it. You might require multiple times cleaning. You will just wipe off the dust, then you'll add little bit of water, or maybe whatever detergent based solution you use to wipe it off properly. And if even it's not coming out, you might use some oil based cleaners. So depending upon the type of clutter, you just clean it, because the main goal is to clean the table. It should be clean, right? So likewise, depending upon the severity of clutteredness, you just clean the chakras, right? After cleaning, we just rescan it, and after rescanning, if we find these chakras are okay as far as your size is concerned, then we just energize it. Okay. Now, the practice is, what you have to do is you just scan the chakra, clean it, and rescan it. If those are falling in the categories of 4 to 6, it's okay. If not, re-clean and rescan it. Even if some chakra left, then re-clean it, rescan it, and energize it. Right? Clear? So this might take half an hour, but the process is like this only. Without any interruption, you have to attempt this process in 1 day.
Okay.
Right? After that, disconnect, clean your the clutter in the bowl, rinse that, wash your hands, and then we'll talk. Clear?
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Right. Thank you.